Okay, we are going to do a worksheet on line segments intersecting, parallel, and perpendicular. Now, I'm going to do a little thing up here. This is like when they intersect. These are parallel, like they're kind of sloping the same way. And perpendicular, I call it crosshairs. Okay, so that just, I'll put intersecting up here. If it is not exactly perpendicular, then it is intersecting. If they don't intersect and they are like the same slope, they are parallel. Okay, so we're going to use our symbols that we learned. So this is a line segment, right? C to D and A to B, and these are perpendicular. Okay, these are, we have DE and we have FG. And I'm just going to put the line segment symbol on top, and these are intersect. They intersect. Okay? Then we have CT and we have SA. And remember, it could be TC or AS. It depends. It doesn't really matter. These are parallel. Okay? Then we have here, we have MO, line segment, and we have OD. Those kind of go at a 90-degree angle, okay? So that makes them perpendicular. And if you had let the lines go straight, you'd see how they're like at the crosshairs, okay? Then we have WN, and we have OD, you know, the symbol. Those are parallel. Okay? Now we have FH. Sorry, just a minute. FH, line segment. And we have PW right here. And those are perpendicular. They have the crosshairs, if you kept going. Perpendicular. Then if we have LY, line segment, and we have PW, line segment. So we have PW and LY. These aren't perpendicular, they intersect. Okay? Then we have QR, line segment. And then we have VB, which is a line segment. Those have the same slope, so they're parallel. And then we have QR, and you have RS. So QR and RS are intersecting, because if you kept going, they don't have a 90-degree angle, but they do intersect. Okay, right here. Now we have, you don't need to see that, and then we have BP segment right here, and then we have QE are intersecting, because again, they go over each other, but they're not perpendicular, so they intersect. And then we have BP, and we have WD. And again, WD and BP, they intersect. They're not perpendicular. And then let's parallel segments only. So I'm going to say AB and CD, A, B, C, D, and then BC and AD. Now remember, these are line segments. So instead of saying CD, you could have said DC, or you could have said BA, you could have said DA and CD. Okay, and these both are parallel. Now I'm going to stop for a minute, and I want you to do the second half and see how you do on your own. Okay, I'm going to stop it, and then we'll go over the answers. So I'm going to give you a few minutes, and we'll go from there. Okay, so the first one, they gave an example. JB and DH are intersecting. They're not a 90-degree angle. Okay, so then we have FE and remember to use the symbol, and HS, they are at a 90-degree angle, so they are perpendicular. Then we have T to A, remember the symbol, K to C, or remember these can be either or, and these have the same slope, so they're parallel. They look like they have the same distance away from each other. Now we're going to list the parallel and perpendicular line segments only. So there is no parallel, because these don't go together either way, and these are intersecting. So there's nothing, neither. Okay? And then here, M, N, remember the symbol, N, O, are perpendicular. So you go up here, you go here, you have like the 90-degree angle there. So that's perpendicular. And then we have M, N, M, P. Don't forget the symbol. M, N, M, P. Again, we have like the right angle here, so that's perpendicular. Okay? And then we have NO, and we have MP. They have the same slope, so they're parallel. They're both straight lines. Okay? Now here, list the parallel lines only. So we have TU, and we have YE. Those are parallel. And this would be parallel if there was a line here, but there isn't, so nope. And then we want the perpendicular. So we have AB and BC. There is the right angle. And don't forget the symbol, perpendicular. And then we have BC, CD, BC, CD. Okay? Perpendicular. Then we have CD, AD, and don't forget the symbol. So that is right here. So again, that's perpendicular. And then we have AB, AD. Don't forget the symbols. And again, we have this little 90-degree angle, so that's perpendicular. Okay, check your answers. Let the teacher know if you have any questions, and thank you for listening.